Just a minute. You guys, when we're coming here, we're talking. So we're making noise. So minimize when you're talking.
What?
We're making noise when you're coming here. So don't talk too much.
In a public area.
Yeah, we're making noise. I want to concentrate.
Concentrate what? In the public area. If you want to concentrate, you can go at home at your place.
What do you mean, bruh? It's you are.
This is a fucking public area. This one. Public area. This one.
No.
Public area. We can make noise.
No, you cannot.
Hello. Is that those guys are making noise? Yeah.
Huh?
Are you crazy or what?
No, it's you guys.
Are you crazy?
No, you are making noise.
Come and tell us this. This is a public area.
Oh, sorry. I was joking. I want to apologize.
What?
I want to apologize.
Apologize what?
Yeah, I want to tell. Let's wait for my boss now.
Your boss again, boss.
My boss.
Hey, brother.
Let's wait. Let's wait for my boss. Yeah, you'll see. We are making noise. Firstly, we are making noise. Now, let's wait.
Tell that push.
Hey, don't tell me. Don't tell me. They are making noise in a public place. Here they are walking. They are making noise.
Yeah, don't do that, bro.
Is it your area?
Don't bother other people.
No, they are making noise.
Is it your area?
You are making noise.
Why, my friend?
In a public, when you are walking here, don't make noise.
Now is it your noise, but you are making of is it mine?
Sorry, I don't want to hear you.
Okay, hear me nice.
Yes.
Is it your noise, but I'm making noise?
Yeah,
Or is it mine?
it is both. Yes, it's
for who?
It's mine.
It's
Yeah.
who? How?
It's for me.
How?
I don't want your noise. You're
Why?
noising. You are making noise.
Why?
No, you are just making noise. I don't want.
The public is not your.
No, I don't want to hear what you are talking.
It's not even your ground.
What do you mean?
Why are you talking?
This is my area.
How?
I pay taxi. This is for my area.
Man.
So you don't make noise, man.
It's
You also, you are just want to make noise. You just say like that.
No, you are making noise.
He's right, my brother.
Sorry, guys. You are too loud. Minimize when you are talking. You are making noise.
What?
You are minimize your talking. Two of you. You are too loud.
And what is the problem?
No. Minimize talking. Noising. You are noising in town. You are making noise in town. No, me. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now. Minimize your talking. We are making noise pollution here. Especially two of you are making noise pollution. So minimize when you go there. You are too loud. Okay. I'm kidding. We are doing a fun video, man. Yeah, movie, man. Sorry. I didn't expect that. So you can find my video on YouTube called Pranks the Nation. Facebook, TikTok, Pranks the Nation. We do crazy things. Pranks the Nation. Pranks the Nation.
Why you with that?
Oh, all good. It's our video there, man. The camera guy is there, man.
You, man, you must not.
Sharp, man.
Yes, man.